22 common foods that will kill your dog. Dogs, our beloved pets, often beg for a taste of our food with those irresistible puppy eyes. While it's tempting to share, it's crucial to remember that certain foods that are safe for humans can be hazardous, even deadly, for dogs. Dogs have different metabolisms and often lack self-control in eating, which can lead to serious health issues. Here, we explore 22 common foods that are dangerous for dogs, providing comprehensive information on each to ensure their safety and well-being. Before we start our list, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados contain a substance called persin, a fungicidal toxin that is harmless to humans but dangerous for dogs. It can lead to fluid accumulation in the lungs and chest of dogs, causing breathing difficulties. Furthermore, avocado pits pose a significant choking hazard and contain higher concentrations of persin. Ensure that avocados, especially the pits, are kept out of your dog's reach. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic contains thiosulfate, which dogs cannot process. This compound builds up in their bloodstream and causes the rupture of red blood cells, leading to anemia. Garlic is a common ingredient in many dishes, so be cautious about sharing foods that might contain even small amounts of garlic with your dog. Number 3. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts, while healthy for humans, are toxic to dogs. They can cause symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, severe weakness, and even temporary paralysis. The exact cause of the toxicity is unknown, but it's crucial to keep these nuts far away from dogs. Number 4. Chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine and caffeine, substances that dogs are unable to metabolize effectively. Ingesting chocolate can cause severe symptoms in dogs, including diarrhea, vomiting, dehydration, internal bleeding, seizures, and, in severe cases, death. The severity of the symptoms depends on the amount and type of chocolate consumed and the dog's size. Number 5. Xylitol. Xylitol, a sugar alcohol found in many sugar-free products such as gum, candy, and some baked goods, is extremely toxic to dogs. It can cause a rapid insulin release leading to hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, seizures, liver failure, and death. Number 6. Yeast dough. Raw yeast dough is dangerous for dogs as it can rise in their stomach, leading to bloating and potentially twisting of the stomach, gastric dilatation volvulus, a life-threatening condition. Furthermore, as the yeast ferments the dough to make it rise, it produces alcohol, which can lead to alcohol poisoning. Number 7. Cooked bones. While raw bones can be a healthy part of a dog's diet, cooked bones are a hazard. Cooking changes the structure of the bone, making it more brittle and likely to splinter. These splinters can cause choking, obstruct the digestive tract, or even puncture the intestines. Number 8. Grapes and raisins. Grapes and raisins can cause acute kidney failure in dogs. Even a small amount can be toxic, and the exact substance that causes the toxicity is currently unknown. Symptoms include vomiting, lethargy, and kidney failure. Number 9. Caffeine. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and some energy drinks, is highly toxic to dogs. It can cause hyperactivity, restlessness, vomiting, elevated heart rate, hypertension, seizures, and, in severe cases, death. Number 10. Rhubarb leaves. Rhubarb leaves contain oxalates, which can cause kidney failure in dogs. Symptoms of oxalate poisoning include drooling, vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and weakness. The petiole or stalk of the rhubarb plant is less toxic, but still should be avoided. Number 11. Onions and leeks. Onions, leeks, and other members of the allium family can cause gastrointestinal irritation and could lead to red blood cell damage and anemia in dogs. This is true for raw, cooked, or dehydrated forms of these vegetables. Number 12. Alcohol. Alcohol has the same effect on a dog's liver and brain that it has on humans, but it takes far less to do its damage. Even a small amount of alcohol can cause vomiting, diarrhea, central nervous system depression, problems with coordination, difficulty breathing, coma, or even death. Number 13. Salt. Excessive salt intake can lead to sodium ion poisoning in dogs, which can cause symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, depression, tremors, elevated body temperature, seizures, and even death. Number 14. Citrus. The stems, leaves, peels, fruit, and seeds of citrus plants contain varying amounts of citric acid and essential oils that can cause irritation and possibly even central nervous system depression if ingested in significant amounts. Number 15. Dairy products. Many dogs are lactose intolerant and cannot digest lactose, the sugar found in milk and other dairy products. This can lead to digestive problems including diarrhea and gastrointestinal upset. Number 16. Cat food. Cat food is generally too high in protein and fats for dogs and is not balanced for their dietary needs. Feeding your dog cat food on a regular basis can lead to malnutrition and gastrointestinal upset. Number 17. Bacon and fatty meat. High-fat foods like bacon can lead to pancreatitis in dogs, which is an inflammation of the pancreas that can lead to abdominal pain, vomiting, and bloody diarrhea. Number 18. Tobacco. Nicotine from cigarettes, e-cigarettes, and nicotine replacement therapies can be toxic to dogs. Nicotine poisoning can cause a range of symptoms including drooling, nausea, irregular heartbeat, tremors, seizures, and even death. Number 19. Nutmeg. Nutmeg contains myristicin, a compound that is toxic to dogs in large amounts. It can cause symptoms such as disorientation, increased heart rate, high blood pressure, dry mouth, abdominal pain, and possibly seizures. Number 20. Peach pits. Peach pits contain cyanide, which is poisonous to both humans and dogs. Additionally, peach pits can cause intestinal blockages. Number 21. Mustard seeds. Mustard seeds can cause gastrointestinal upset and possibly lead to gastrointestinal obstruction. Mustard as a condiment in small amounts is less concerning but still not recommended. Number 22. Fat trimmings. Raw or cooked fat trimmings can cause pancreatitis in dogs, as well as other digestive issues. Even if it doesn't cause pancreatitis, it can lead to obesity and other health problems over time. In conclusion, it's vital to stick to a diet suitable for dogs and avoid feeding them human food, especially those listed above. If you wish to treat your dog, opt for dog-safe foods or specially formulated canine treats. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more health tips.